Hey guys, I'm Matt. Today this video let me show you the iPhone 13 Pro, 256 gigabytes. Now you can see this is green color, shining green color, and let me show you the specification. This is the iPhone 13 Pro. Also, this is a CHA. This means this is a China version, not a US version. China version, and you can see the capacity is 256 gigabytes. And let me show you the battery. The battery information. Oh, sorry. Okay. You can see the battery 78%. This is original one, and you can see the some scratches. This edge, no scratch. This edge, no scratch, and no scratch. Let me show you the display. The display, some scratches. You can see some little scratches on the screen. Okay, but when the screen open, you can't see it. But when it shut down on the black color, you can see it. Okay, on the back cover, you can backlight, you can see it. Okay. Okay. This price about 2,600 CNY. If you want to buy, you can get back to me. Okay. This is iPhone 13 Pro. Okay, 13 Pro. This is the color, and this another color, the gold color, beautiful gold color. Also, same 79% of the battery capacity, and this is the cycle count, 1,266. Too many cycle count. Okay. Also, this condition not very good. This condition. Okay. This condition, so many scratch. Okay. This one condition is good. The camera is okay. Okay. I'm in the wholesale market about the iPhone and MacBook. If you want to know more information about the Apple product, you can subscribe to my channel. Okay. See you in the next video.